Okay, guys, today we're back again in another Call of Duty video. And we're going to start things off again with free for all. And move our way to being another game mode after. But we'll start it off with free for all. Quick warm up run. Let's get into it. Yes, right where we left off in the last video, terminal. Oh man, the coincidences, man, the coincidences. No, I am not going to be using any of my other loadouts. I only use Best Boy. We only use Best Boy in this channel. Best Boy. Skibbity bibby. Oh, and I'm the first dead. Okay. Hate to see it. You hate to. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Oh, there's somebody there. Oof. Whoa. Okay. Nope, they were AFK. I'm sorry, dude. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, crap. Alright. Hey, we're... Nope, you... Ah, oh, shoot. Not again. I want to get that guy. Dead. Yes, gotta get that revenge. I must seek my revenge. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Crap. Man, I'm spinning in circles all the time with this. Oh, interesting. I feel like there's somebody coming after me here. Yep. Dead. Oh. Yes. Oh crap. What am I doing? Ah. Yes, good. 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 Alrighty. I don't think we're going to be winning this one, but that is not my objective. My objective is to do... Oh, hell no. Oh, yeah, he wins. Jeez Louise. I'll take second place anyway, but... Okay. So, we might have to wrap this up quicker than I was hoping to. Oh well. Let's just get out of this as fast as I can and get into the next match. I hope there's not too much background noise. I am in a kind of cramped space recording this one. We're not in the basement as usual. I hope there's not going to be an echo. I'm out of here. Okay. Let's change up the game mode here. Let's change it to Team Deathmatch. Start it. Let's hope it does not take too long to load, because if this phone dies, and I hope we're still recording, we're still recording. Okay, this could be a good sniper map. You know what? I'll do a sniping video some other time. We're here for some hardcore parkour stuff. We ain't here to sit in a corner like some camping hooligan. We're here to hardcore parkour through this. We're here to do a jump 360, slide behind cars, and toss nades. Oh, we got a sniper. Oh, crap. So we got a sniper, some gear. Okay. So we got a rusher and a camper who's covering said rusher. This is going to be interesting. You're dead. the heck? Well, the more you know, am I right, boys? So, I will not be able to survive that if... Nope, that's not what I wanted. Let's just toss a nade there. Wait, did they switch spawns? That may be the... Oh, good grief. Thanks, mate. Whoa! Yeah, okay, too fast. Mate, I have not been able to keep track of them. I have to get to a situation where I can. Nope, I ain't gonna hit none of those. Got him. There's one. Oh. Got him. Whoa. Got him. Jeez, this is my corner, dudes. Oh, gee. Well, I guess I deserve that. All right, we're gonna master flank this here. We're gonna master flank corners. Oh, good grief. You know what? Maybe I should snipe. Let's see here. Let's give this a shot here. Hi. Nope, I ain't going to hit that. Jeez Louise. Maybe this isn't going to go too well. I have a bad feeling about this one. Yup, nope. Okay. We are in so much trouble here. I don't think we're going to be getting any of these. I don't think we're going to win any of these. No way. I'm... Frick. Bruh. Like I said, I don't think we can win this. Nope, that's a trap. Yup. Good grief. This video just hasn't gone well. You know, we cannot stop playing until we get our redemption. So, with that saltiness, that unquenchable... Oh, good grief, there's only 3 of us. Okay. With that thirst to win, let's do another one. Let's do another team death match. We have to win this one. Okay, boys. I think after that embarrassment of a sniping run, we are going to do some good sniping. We are going to do some quality sniping. So, let's do some quality sniping. Quality sniping. There we go. Got him. Oh. Woo. Ooga booga. Where? Okay, that was a little clutch. Oh no, he's coming. Yes! Okay, saved by... Woo! We're rocking this. Although, Let's do the pistol, eh? Let's go with the pistol. You can't touch me. I've got too much power. Where they at? Where they at? Where they at? Got him. Where they at? Where they at? Where they at? Where they at? Is he dead? Yeah, he's dead. Okay. Where they at? Where they at? They're there. Where they at? Hello? Stay still. Thank you. Okay. Here we go. Yeah. I'm dead. I think that went pretty well. Hunter killer drone. Crap. That sucked. Ass. Heck yeah. There we go. We got the W on that one after that absolute embarrassment back there. Good gravy. But you know, we got our revenge. That's the vid. Thanks for watching. I'll let this kill cam play out. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.